guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Entre Legends. Today we are here in Thornton Heath in London Borough of Croydon in South London. So without further ado, let's take off. Right, drone up in the sky as you can see. I got to the max height. As you can see, it's all brown, the grass. So what we're going to do is going to go to the town centre quickly, and then we'll do a 360 photo in that area. So town centre is all the way down there. Let's go towards the town centre. Actually, what we'll do, we'll just get a shot here of the area. It's a bit far, Thornton Heath, from the park. Actually, it's not that far. It's not that far. Let's get a shot in this area. So the station's all the way down here. Yeah, we just do the 360 photo about here. So we'll do, oh, a gust just came. Oh, this isn't a really nice 360 photo. I don't understand why it's gusty today. It's like not windy, only the gust is strong. Right, so let's just continue on our way to Thornton Heath here in London Borough of Croydon. So we've got Iceland right here, got a Southern train. I've flown a few times in the Croydon borough. I've flown, yeah, I've done four different drone flights in this borough. Done one in Croydon, West Croydon. Then I done one in near the IKEA. Done one in, what's the other place? I done one in Norwood, and now I'm here in Thornton Heath. Might as well get a shot of Thornton Heath here in London Borough of Croydon. Let's get a shot of this area, the town centre. Nice little shot. See that there's a lot of roadworks happening in the area as well. Let's go towards the bus area. So you've got a lot of traffic lights. Oh, a little bit of side wind. Wait, how's it cloudy now? It's gone a bit cloudy. Yeah, you get a nice shot. We'll just stay here for a bit as we get a nice shot of this area. And then we'll just go down here. Look how much traffic is down there, look. Thornton Heath. Look at that, there's bare shops here. See, it's bare busy down here, look at that. By bare busy, I mean it's really busy. A lot of shops down here. What's going on here, look. Something happened there. Moving bare slow. We've got the town centre all the way down here. Get a shot of that. Should have waited for the cloud to pass because there's a little bit of a small cloud that's passing. It's a slow moving cloud. Get a static shot of this area. So I just want to see what's going on down there. We've got that area down here. Got a fast speed Southern train. I mean high speed Southern train. You can see all the grass is all brown. That's because we had the longest dry spell really long dry spell. We haven't had rain over a month, literally. It's got another train. What train is that? Is that the London Overground? Nah. Now what train is that? I don't even know what train that is. But it's in red. Got Thornton Heath, the rest of the area down here. Go towards down here. What else have we got? We won't go too far, we'll just stay around here. And I think we'll turn back now. Let's get a shot of the bus. Nice little area to fly here. Little area in London Borough of Croydon. Got the station, as you saw already. Let's go to the other side of Thornton Heath. Let's go towards this side. Got shipping containers down there as well. Got Iceland down there, we've got shipping containers. What else have we got? We've got some, look at that street art down there on the edge. We're edging it. Let's get a shot of this car coming back towards this area. Go down towards there. Nice little area down here. For this blue car back. For this blue car back. Towards there. Right, should we come back towards this area and fly around there? Why not? For a second I thought that was a Waymo. Waymos always look like that. I saw one when I was flying in Wilton Junction / Harlesden in Northwest. Got a shot of the Southern train. Should get a shot of the Southern train coming back. It's a long road going up to here. Should go down here. Get a shot of the park after, innit? It's gone cloudy. I don't understand how. Good thing is that we're cooling down in the shade. This is the residential area of Thornton Heath. What postcode is this? I think it's a CR7 postcode, I'm not sure. But So look at that, got all these neighbourhoods. Amazing shot. I want to get a shot of where it's sunny. Should go back to Croydon. Not Croydon, I mean Thornton Heath. Get another shot of it. Nah, let's go to a different part. I go to this side. Let's walk to this side so we get a nice shot of it. Let's go to this little area, then we'll come back. And that's a Tesco, is it? No, it's a Lidl. Got a Lidl over here. I mean, there's a Tesco down here. It says on my screen, that's why. So it's a Tesco. It's probably like a corner shop. Got McDonald's right here. Got our Mackies. It's a bit windy though. I think we got the worst of it just past us, so let's come back to here. Let's go down towards here quickly. Our battery's moving a bit low, so let's come back now. Closer to yard, which is the park. I'm going to walk back towards where I started, so because our home point's down there. So look at that. Got a shot of the park down here. Oh, wind gusts has come. It's quite fast as well. Yeah, it's bare fast. It's wind. Got basketball courts. We've got our little playground there. And we're just going to land a drone back here because there's no people down there. So see, look how brown this grass is. We've not had a rain in a whole month. We haven't even had a drop of rain for a whole month in the UK. Maybe other parts of the UK, but not in the southeast or near London. Alright, let's land it right here. Let's not land it in sports mode. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Thornton Heath in the London Borough of Croydon in South London. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah guys, I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.